students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we will begin with the lesson number 3 of your class 2 English, that is curly locks and a trivia. So let's begin with this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about a girl who has curly locks, means she has curly hairs. People used to call her a curly locks because of her curly hairs. There was a little girl who lived with her parents in a small village. एक little girl थी, वो अपने parents के साथ एक small village में रहती थी. She had beautiful curly hair. उसके beautiful से curly hairs थे. So people lovingly called her curly locks. People उसको क्या बुलाते थे? Curly locks बुलाते थे. There was a dense forest just outside the village. एक dense forest था वहाँ पे village के बाहर. Many wild animals lived there. बहुत सारे wild animals वहाँ पे रहते थे. One day Goldilocks went into the forest to collect some berries. एक दिन वो little girl एक forest में जाती है क्या collect करने? Berries को collect करने. She saw a small cottage inside the forest. उसने एक small cottage देखा forest के अंदर. She wanted to see who lived in the cottage. उसका मन हुआ देखने का कि इस cottage के अंदर कौन रहता है. So she went there and knocked at the door. वो पास में जाती है knock करती है door पे. Is anybody in? क्या कोई अंदर है? She asked. There was no reply. वो कहाँ पे कोई reply नहीं था. A bear family lived in the cottage. एक bear की family कहाँ रहती थी? Cottage में रहती थी. They had gone for a walk. वो कहाँ गए हुए थे? Walk के लिए गए हुए थे. Goldilocks pushed open the door and went in. Goldilocks ने क्या करा? Push करा door को, open करा और अंदर चली गई. In the dining room, she saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. उसने एक dining room में क्या देखा? 3 bowls दे porridge से कहाँ पे? Table पे. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. एक big bowl था किसके लिए? Papa Bear के लिए. A middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear. एक middle-sized bowl था Mama Bear के लिए. And tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. एक tiny little bowl था Baby Bear के लिए. Goldilocks was hungry. जो Goldilocks थी, little girl थी, बहुत ज़्यादा hungry थी. She was hungry. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी. She ate some porridge. उसने कुछ porridge खा लिए from the big bowl. It was very hot. वो बहुत ज़्यादा hot थे. Then she ate from the middle-sized bowl. फिर उसने थोड़ा middle-sized bowl में खाया. It was too cold. वो बहुत ज़्यादा cold थे. When she ate from the tiny little bowl, she found it was right. It's just right. जब उसने tiny little bowl में से खाया जो baby bear का था, उसमें से खाया वो एकदम perfect था. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge from the tiny bowl. Goldilocks ने क्या करा? Goldilocks ने क्या करा? She ate all the porridge. उसने सारे porridge खा लिए किससे? Tiny bowl से. Then she went to the bedroom. फिर वो कहाँ गई? Bedroom में गई. There was a big bed for Papa Bear. वहाँ पे क्या था? एक big bed था Papa Bear के लिए. A middle-sized bed for Mama Bear. Middle-sized bed था Mama Bear के लिए. And a tiny bed for Baby Bear. एक छोटा सा tiny bed था Baby Bear के लिए. The big bed was very hard. जो big bed था वो बहुत ज़्यादा hard था. The middle-sized bed was too soft. जो middle-sized bed था बहुत ज़्यादा soft था. But the tiny little bed was just right. जो tiny little bed था वो एकदम correct था. Goldilocks lay on the tiny bed. जो Goldilocks थी उस tiny से bed पे लेट गई. Soon she fell asleep. फिर वो वहाँ पे सो जाती है. After some time, the bear family came back. कुछ टाइम के बाद bear की family वापस आ गई. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Papa Bear ने shout करा, किसी ने मेरे porridge खा लिए. उन्होंने big voice में shout करा. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear ने बोला किसी ने मेरे भी खाए हैं porridge. Somebody finished all my porridge. Said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Baby Bear ने tiny little voice में बोला मेरे तो सारे खा लिए. The bear family went to the bedroom. जो bear family थी bedroom में जाती है. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. कोई मेरे बेड पे सोया पापा बेयर ने शाउट करा अपनी बिग ग्रफ वॉइस में. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. मेरे बेड पे भी कोई सोया है ममा बियर ने बोला. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. कोई मेरे बेड पे सो रहा है बेबी बियर ने बोला अपनी tiny voice में little voice में. कर्लीलॉक्स woke up. उन्होंने बोला कर्लीलॉक्स उठो. She was much afraid to see three bears. वो एकदम डर गई three bears को देख के. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. वो एकदम उठती है और रन करती है कॉटेज से बाहर और जितना वो फास्ट रन कर सकती है उतना फास्ट रन करती है. So that's all for this story. I hope you all like the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. Thank you and have a great day.